Hello everyone, let's start with the next topic, which is energy audit instrument. These instruments are used by professional energy auditor to perform the energy audit. So, energy audit instruments. The requirement for an energy audit, such as identification and quantification of energy, necessitates measurement. And this measurement requires the use of instruments, and these instruments are the energy auditing instrument. This instrument must be portable, durable, easy to operate, and relatively inexpensive. So let us see the energy audit instruments one by one. So first is thermal imager. Thermal imager is a pocket-sized thermal camera like our mobile phones, which is used to find out the hidden hotspot, energy waste, then structural defect, plumbing clogs, HVAC issue, and the other problems. So just we have to direct the camera to the spot of which the temperature is required. So, identification of hotspot using the thermal camera. As you can see the two images. First is the infrared image, which is been taken by the thermal camera, and the second is the normal image. And also it will give the spot with its temperature. Next instrument is earth clamp. Now the earth is used to protect us from electrical shock, and it provides path for the faulty current to flow to earth. So by using a earth clamp, the across the conductor, so the conductor will be acting as a primary, and this core will be acting as a secondary. So the current flowing through the conductor generates an alternating magnetic field that rotates around the concentrate of clamp core and induce current in the secondary, which gives the readings will be given on the display. So the earth clamp is used for leakage current measurement and the ground resistance measurement, and by using the earth clamp it completely eliminates the use of ground and auxiliary rods, and thus it saves lot of time and avoids the shutdown. Next instrument is the clamp on meter, same like earth clamp. So here a clamp meter uses the digital technology, and which is used for getting the quantity of system voltage, system current, system frequency, leakage current, and it has to just be clamped across the conductor to get this reading. Next instrument is power quality analyzer. A power quality analyzer is used to measure various electrical quantities such as active power, apparent power, power factor, energy consumption, AC voltage, AC current, DC voltage, DC current, resistance, frequency, and it has a data logger functionality. And this device is a portable one. Let's see the next one, lux meter. Lux meter is used to measure the intensity of light falling on the surface. So here this senses the intensity of light and which can be displayed. Next meter is contact thermometer. So this are the thermocouples which measures flue gas, that is the waste gas, hot air, hot water temperature by insertion of the probe into the stream. Next instrument is infrared thermometer. So this is a non-contact type measurement, and it just have to direct at the heat source, which will give the temperature readout. And this instrument is useful for measuring hotspot in the furnace, then surface temperature, etc. Next is humidity meter. A humidity sensor senses, measures and report the relative humidity in the air. It is therefore measures both the moisture and the air temperature, which will be displayed. Next is water flow meter. This is a non-contact flow measurement device using the Doppler effect or the ultrasonic principle. So here there is a transmitter and the receiver which are positioned on the opposite side of the pipe, and the meter directly gives the flow. So the water and the other fluid flow can be easily measured with the water flow meter. And the last one is leak detectors. So ultrasonic instrument are available which can be used to detect the leak of compressed air and the other gases which are not normally not possible to detect with the human abilities. So this is the leak detector. So these are the few energy audit instruments, and that's all for this video, and thank you.